Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all in EPSEC's online support and assignments tutorial for week 4. I'm Zubia Razak from APS Jagtamni. Grade is 8 and subject is biology. Ingredients are you must have following book, basic stationery and gadgets. Contents include device breakup, objectives, cellular organization. Recipe is chapter number 1, Introduction to Biology. Now it's time to share the objective. At the end of this week, you would be able to understand about the unicellular, colonial and multicellular organizations from textbook pages 10 to 13. Now it's time to share the task 1 to differentiate between unicellular, colonial and multicellular organizations. Cellular organization is the basis and evolution of life in which micromolecules form macromolecules, which then form organelles, organelles for the cells which becomes tissue, organ and system. This then forms a whole organism. And summary is micromolecules to macromolecules, macromolecules to organelles, organelles to cells, cell to tissue, tissue to organ, organ to system, system to organism, organism to individual, individual to population, population to community and community to biosphere level. Now it's time to discuss the unicellular and colonial organisms. A unicellular organism is composed of a single cell. Examples are bacteria, yeast and amoeba. And colonial organisms include unicellular organisms that live together in groups. The cell have no relationship to each other. There is no specialization or differentiation. Examples of unicellular organizations are amoeba, paramecium and eugula. Colonial organisms live in colonies. And they do not depend upon each other. Examples of colonial organization is Volvox colony. Multicellular organization includes frog and mustard plant. Now it's time to share the home tasks for the day 1, that is reading of textbook pages 10 to 12. Write about unicellular, colonial and multicellular organization with examples on loose sheets. Day 1 tasks completed. Now it's time to share the day 2 tasks, which is the information about mustard plant. Mustard plant scientific name is Brassica campestris. Roots, stem and leaves are vegetative parts, while flowers are reproductive parts that are involved in sexual reproduction. Plant body is used as vegetable while seeds are used as oil. Now it's time to share information about frog. The scientific name is Rana tigerina. Body is made up of organ system. All the organs are made up of specific tissue, epithelial, glandular, muscular and nervous tissues. Now it's time to share the home tasks for the day 2. Reading of textbook pages 12 to 13. Write about the multicellular organization of mustard plant and frog with their examples. Do exercises and questions from textbook pages 17 to 18. Day 2 task completed. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and have a nice day.